all set for you. The M1 or M2 buttons on the steering wheel offer predefined settings of the driving dynamics and drive systems that can be found in the setup menu. From factory, M1 has these settings. The engine program is set to Sport, transmission is set to manual mode D2, and the chassis program is set to Sport as well. The steering and brakes programs are set to Comfort and DSC stays on. Depending on availability on your BMW model and optional equipment, the M xDrive stays on 4-wheel drive. Our other how-to video about the M setup menu goes deeper into M xDrive settings. Under M1, the predefined setting for start-stop is off and M sound is on. Also, M2 has predefined settings from factory. The engine and chassis are set to Sport Plus. Transmission is set to sequential mode S3. The steering program is set to Sport. The brake program stays on Comfort. DSC changes to M dynamic mode, and depending on availability on your BMW M model and optional equipment, the M xDrive program changes to 4-wheel drive Sport. Under M2, the predefined setting for start-stop is off and M sound is on. These predefined settings can be individually configured by pressing Setup and then M1 or M2 configuration. Select the desired setting. The individual settings are automatically saved for the configuration that is currently being used. You can always reset the configuration of the M1 and M2 buttons to their predefined configuration. To activate M1, press the relevant button on the steering wheel. M1 is shown in the instrument cluster. Press the relevant button on the steering wheel again to deactivate these settings. M1 will no longer be visible in the instrument cluster. To activate M2, press the relevant button on the steering wheel. If DSC off or M dynamic mode is set, a message is displayed in the instrument cluster. Press the M2 button again to confirm. When M1 or M2 is active, as shown in the instrument cluster, any setting changes are applied immediately. Alternatively, the current settings of the system can be transferred to M1 or M2. To do this, press and hold the desired button on the steering wheel until an acoustic signal sounds. When leaving and securing the vehicle, M1 or M2 is automatically deactivated. This means that when restarting the vehicle, M1 and M2 settings are deactivated and default settings restored. This prevents drivers after you from being confronted with a vehicle configuration that could possibly overtax their driving abilities. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW M.